In this video, I will be showing you how to use the pen tool in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I start on the main Canva homepage, where all design options and recent projects are displayed. I move my cursor over to the top left corner of the screen and click on the purple Create a Design button. A drop-down menu opens up displaying various format presets and quick actions. From the menu list, I choose YouTube Thumbnail, which opens a fresh blank canvas in a new editor tab. Once the editor finishes loading, I have an empty workspace ready on screen. On the far left sidebar, there are multiple navigation options available, including templates, elements, text, brand, uploads, and projects. I navigate down this menu and click on the draw icon, which immediately opens up the dedicated freehand drawing panel with various drawing tools. From the drawing panel, I select the pen tool and click on its settings button to adjust stroke properties. A control box pops up with sliders for weight and transparency. I adjust the line weight slider to test stroke thickness, bringing it down to 4 and then sliding it back up to 8 for a bold stroke. Next, I click on the color icon below to open the palette and select a dark blue shade for my pen. Now with my pen tool configured, I move the cursor onto the blank canvas and begin drawing by hand. I draw out each letter carefully to write the words, "Hi there," finishing with an exclamation mark. Right below the text, I draw a quick arrow pointing downward to show line flow, and then I sketch a small smiley face right beside the exclamation point. To experiment with a different color, I click back on the color swatch option on the left panel. I pick a black shade, move down to an empty area on the canvas, and sketch out a small circle and a stick figure doodle. After that, I select the thicker marker tool from the drawing toolbar and draw a dense scribble cluster at the bottom corner of the canvas to test broader stroke textures. Finally, to clean up my design workspace, I select the eraser tool from the left drawing toolbar. I bring the eraser cursor over to the drawings on the screen and click on the strokes to clear the lines away from the canvas. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to use Pen Tool in Canva.